Hello everyone, today I'm going to make very easy ladies finger recipe. Most of the times our kids are really going to like this one because they mostly prefer ladies finger type wali recipe. So I have decided why I cannot make this easy recipe. Let's start to make this ladies finger. I have taken here garlic, chili chop, ladies finger and cumin seed. Let's take 1 tablespoon oil, put cumin seed and a mustard. Then after that green chili, and when it colors brown, that garlic, take chopped ladies finger and a salt. After a few minutes it will make. Hope you guys, it's a really very easy method recipe. You can almost try at least for your kids or anyone, even anyone love this recipe. Still you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, like, share and subscribe. Okay, thank you. If you wanna get to know all recipes from my channel, please click on the notification button.